Going to show you a little short tip and feature for a quick pick, in case you didn't know. So one of the features we have for Quick Pick is the ability to test our modules when they're a PR. And here you'll see Jake has created 5 PRs: 17.5, 16.9, 15.13, 14.18, 13.21. So we can go over here to Quick Pick. We can go down to Postgres, do 17.5. And we're going to ignore this box. We're not going to reload yet. Postgres, 16.9. Going to ignore it. Come on, ignore it. Postgres, 15. Ignore the box. Postgres, 14. Ignore the box. Postgres. We can do this with any, it doesn't have to be Postgres all the time. It could be any combination of modules. It doesn't matter. And you'll know it's our PR by it's red and it has the letters PR after it. Okay. So now I've installed all the modules I want to test. So now we'll go ahead and do like it said, and we'll do the reload. So we go here, go reload. Yes. Okay, it's reloaded. So now we go here, we go to Postgres, versions, and there's all those versions that we just installed, all ready for us to test with. Just a little short trick. Hope that helps you. Bye-bye.